Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. Plagiarism reduction is one of the biggest problem faced by our fellow researchers. When it comes to normal plagiarism reduction, so you can it will find out what are the words subjected to plagiarism, and you can reshuffle or you can change the equivalent meaning, you can better synonyms of that particular words and sentences, thereby you can reduce your plagiarism. When it comes to AI plagiarism, so there is no methodology or there is no certain protocols to reduce AI plagiarism. So but we are making some methodologies to reduce AI plagiarism without changing the core meaning of the content. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and what are the services it is offering and what are the different AI templates available in this particular AI tool. Here go to LMS Research Support. So in this you will be having different types of AI templates. So here you can see these are the different AI templates are available. So in this Ultimate Plan Ultimate templates, you can see all the templates are available. These templates are especially designed for research. So here you can see summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, generate MATLAB code, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chatbot, chat with PDF text, plagiarism reducer. So these are the different AI templates are available. When coming to today's video, so we are discussing about plagiarism reduction. So in this we can say there are two templates are available to reduce plagiarism. There is paraphrasing and plagiarism reduction. So just to click on this paraphrasing template, so it leads to a dashboard for paraphrasing. So this is the dashboard for this paraphrasing template. So here you can add what are the text you want to paraphrase. So thereby it will paraphrase the content and it will reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So the second template is that, so here you can click on a plagiarism reducer. So the plagiarism reducer is also the same kind of template, so where you can copy and paste the content, so that content will reduce plagiarism without changing the core meaning of the content. So this is a normal AI template which is used to reduce plagiarism. So if your paper is subjected, even after reducing plagiarism from these AI templates, if your paper is subjected to plagiarism again, so you can move on to our services. So we are offering services to reduce plagiarism. So especially when coming to AI, we are doing a better service to reduce AI plagiarism. So we will reduce AI plagiarism to 0%, and then that is we can reduce that normal plagiarism less than 10%. The single source plagiarism must be 3 or less than 3%. So here you can see this is the paper we have checked for, that is AI plagiarism. So it is showing 0%. So we are having some methodology which will be without changing the code. Whenever you are reducing plagiarism in your research paper, the important thing while reducing plagiarism is that without changing the core meaning of the content. That is very important. So whenever it comes to AI plagiarism reduction, so we are taking care of that particular that is plagiarism reduction process without changing the core meaning of the contents, and we are giving a best service to reduce AI plagiarism, and we are having different tools to reduce plagiarism also. So we are providing this plagiarism reduction to easily make sure that your research paper is free from plagiarism and without changing the important thing is that without changing the core meaning of your work and content. So these are the services we are offering in a LMS Research Support. Apart from that, just go to paraphrasing template. So I am going to copy and paste a random content here. So here you can see I am using this paraphrasing template. So just I have pasted some content which is taken from internet. So just to click on paraphrase. So in the meantime, I have checked this content for plagiarism. So it is showing that our content is subjected to plagiarism of 50%. So here you can see 50% is plagiarism and 50% is showing unique content. So here you can see that this is the paraphrased content. So again I am going to check this paraphrased content for plagiarism. So you can copy the text. So here you can see that, so after that is paraphrasing, I have copied this content in this duplicate checker. So here you can see that our plagiarism is reduced to 0% and it is given as 100% unique. So surely this template will help you to reduce plagiarism in your research paper, and also you can do the same for plagiarism reduction template also. So just I have used this paraphrasing template and you can see number of words is reduced to 178. So before that it is 193 words. So you can make use of this template to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So if you are not satisfied with the plagiarism reduction in this templates, so you can contact us for this plagiarism reduction service, especially if you are struggling to reduce AI content in in your research paper. So you can feel free to contact us to reduce AI plagiarism for you. So this is all about this video. So you can make use of this LMS research support that is website to make your research paper writing simple. The main objective of all this AI templates is to make your research paper writing simple. Here you can see there are 5 different templates especially designed for literature review. So you can make use of this option to make your literature review writing also very easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.